Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Google form for multiple languages. Want to make your Google form available in more than one language? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up a multi-language Google form step by step. So the first step, you can build your base form. You can start by creating your form in your primary language, English, for example. Here, just click on this blank form. And then you can just add your title, question, and options as usual. Okay, so this is the form, let's say. Now you can just add a first multiple choice question asking user to select their language, whether it's English, Spain, or French. You can just here click on this one, add question. I'm going to move it on top. And you can just add something like choose your language. And then you can choose the multiple choice type of question and add the options such as English and then Spanish or French, like this. And next you can create a separate sections for each language. You can copy your original questions and translate them into each language. So you can just duplicate the sections in here. You can just click on this one, add section. At the end you can just add section, and then you can copy all of this into the second section. So you can just click on this import question, and then you can choose the questions from above, but translate it into another language. For example, the second section is for Spanish, so you can change all of this question into Spanish. You can use Google Translate for a start, but have a native speaker review it. And now you can also add logic to your language selector. You can click on the three dots here in the questions, and you can just click on this go to section based on answer. Now you can choose the option. Here I'm going to go to section 2, or you can also rename it. Go to, for example, this one is named Spanish and everything. You can just choose the logic or the action, and after that it will direct each language to its own section. Next, you can just preview the form, select different languages, and make sure each section works smoothly. Send it out and collect responses in one place. And that's how we can set up multiple language Google form like a pro. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you need more from hacks. I'll see you all on the next ones. Bye!